Stakeholders in the Nigeria's copyright sector have been urged to strengthen collaboration in protecting intellectual property rights and improving copyright licensing in the education sector. The call was made during a stakeholders awareness meeting and board engagement organized by the Reproduction Rights Society of Nigeria. Oxygen FM correspondent for Lakemi Tokumbo Ishola, who attended the event, reports that the chairman of the Reproduction Rights Society of Nigeria, Mr. Gbadiga Dedakbo, in his welcome address says stronger collaboration among stakeholders is necessary to promote awareness and protect intellectual property rights in Nigeria. He explained that Repronig is responsible for managing reproduction rights on behalf of authors and publishers and ensure that creators receive fair compensation when their works are reproduced or used by third parties. Also speaking at the event, the Director General of the Nigeria Copyright Commission, Dr. John Assain, says the need for stronger copyright licensing systems within the Nigeria educational sector, saying effective management of reproduction rights in books, journals, and other educational materials is necessary to protect the livelihoods of authors and publishers while supporting quality education.
When you have a good copyright system, it provides the protection that authors need. It encourages authors to produce more. It helps to guarantee quality materials, and it provides the balance for the right owners and the users in a way that you can have access to more learning materials and you can have an organic and functional, sustainable education ecosystem.
Legal Policy and Technology Counselor Antonio Barris, who also attended the event, provided an overview of the operations of the International Federation of Reproduction Rights Organization, IFRRO, explaining the role of reproduction rights organizations in managing reprographic licensing and distributing remuneration to authors and publishers. In another presentation, Anders Raj, Chief Executive Officer of the Danish Reproduction Rights Organization, highlighted Denmark's experience in extending collective licensing, noting that the model has been successfully adopted in several jurisdictions to regulate the use of copyrighted materials. Other speakers, including Joseph Giamfi of Copy Ghana and copyright consultant Olav Stockmore, also discussed issues relating to licensing systems, private copy remuneration, and the distribution of royalties to the authors and publishers. They stressed that access to educational materials must go hand in hand with strong copyright frameworks that protect the interest of creators. The meeting unanimously called for a stronger collaboration between universities, polytechnics, publishers, and copyright institutions to establish transparent licensing systems for the responsible use of educational materials.
Once the stakeholders, the authors, the writers, have confidence in the fact that these organizations who are collecting, who are engaged in bargaining for them, once they are sure of that, they definitely will now belong and register and license. And that invariably will improve the production, the distribution, and therefore the acquisition of knowledge.
Goodwill messages were delivered by representatives of the University of Ibadan, Abiola Ajimobi Technical University, Lead City University, and other institutions, while the Association of Nigeria Authors and Publishing Organizations pledged continued support for copyright protection in Nigeria.